The cloth mask. You've seen it everywhere and everybody owns one by now. But they are a little too common. And what if I told you there was something much cooler out there that works a little better and is a lot easier to make? Presenting to you the BUMASK. The BUMASK is this really simple mask that you can make by yourself at your home right now. Before we begin with the video, let's talk about our sponsor, today's sponsor, and that is me. Yes, I don't really get much to make these videos, so I would really appreciate if you drop me one of these, consider subscribing and share this video with your friends. Well, that said, let's begin. Yeah, with that said, let's begin. The first step is to print the template in the link below, or you could just pull it right out of the screen. Nice. Well, for the next step, just place the template on your paper and scrub really fast. If you do this fast enough, the template should become visible on the paper. To cut the template, use a cutter and hold it just about there and say, and that should do the trick. You can simply punch holes in the marked sections and then just fold them as shown in the video. Now all that's left to do is glue the pieces together and hold it firmly for some time. Placing the ribbon can get a little complicated, so instead you could just play this song and
DJ Shivan. It's by DJ Shivan.
with this, our mask is almost ready. Now all that's left to do is to cut a piece of cloth and use it as a filter. This adds an extra layer of comfort and also makes it reusable as well. Well, once that was done, I began testing it out, and now it's time for the final verdict. Well, the BUMASK is a lot more cooler, it's a lot more comfortable and a lot more breathable compared to your average cloth masks. And once you wear it outside, you will get a lot of heads turning. Thanks to its filters, it is reusable. The only place the cloth masks are better is in portability, but the BUMASK is a lot more adjustable for various face shapes. Well, what do you think? Make sure to let me know in the comments below. And while you are there, make sure to check out some other videos for me. That's it, goodbye.